don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got.
No way. No, it's not.
I don't even want to go hike to the fucking restaurant. What's going on here? Dude, I was over here walking like seeing like this would be a sick ass shot over the water.
That's all you see in this case walking. Sometimes Jay's ages. Yeah, dude. I guess now like that's not gonna appreciate it. No. I don't know. Or like a turbo deal. Real deal.
Yeah, the other ones like turbo.
Well,
similar, right?
Yeah.
More like it was that guy with the veggie in him and Alex pointed out that so years ago my and then someone at Wexford, my burial wing still had it's all like that day before
Once I was a lonely boy, so all alone and blue. I searched for true love, and I found you.
see another one that looks like
It's crazy to see an L15 SI swap. You got the maker right here. There's also another one built up there. You can see, and they don't run no fans on it, no nothing to cool it down. As they say, they run cool on these chassis. But crazy to see an SI swap in an EK. And that's the same Integra over there that went to SEMA. Dope swap to see in a different car now.
But these are, I think these are
Alright guys, so sorry I haven't done a lot of talking. Battery died, so I replaced the battery, and I'm gonna go walk around real quick a little bit more. And here's the favorite DA. You guys already seen that in the last video with the wheels. Work are ZRs. Again, anybody look selling some, let me know. CRX. Another right-hand drive DA. It's a DA6, I believe, with the Mugen optional side skirts, or replica version of them. Later, big dog. Yeah, big dog.
Take care, man.
By the way, you got the biggies out. Looks like it's all Type R's from here. FL5, Supra, EK, Porsche, bad. You got the Ruckus gang. Alright guys, we're gonna head home and cruise with the homies that we came by with, JDM Inspired and my homie Caesar.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the